guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm working in my creating with JOVI design team project. You guys saw the cover and I introduced you to the signatures, but I want to show you something really special. A couple of things that I made. This is a belly band, but this isn't your ordinary belly band. How does this work? Let me show you. So these slide out. These are writing papers, okay? And then they go under the belly band and over the belly band, and then these are flip outs. And then it has some stuff for you to journal on underneath. So this one goes in first, and this piece goes over the blank green, right? And then this one goes under that one, and this blank green part goes under here. So there you go. That I thought was just fun. Really, really fun. And then I have, this is actually coffee dyed fax paper. And if you, I don't really want to show you, but if you do like that, it'll turn, well, it's not doing it. Sometimes it turns a dark color. Okay, and then this is an envelope, and you maneuver it in and out. You just pick this up, pop that out. You can put your secret whatever's inside. Okay, push it all the way up as far as you can, and then lift and pop that back down under, and then slide that down. I thought that was fun too. And then I have just a regular pocket. I have my coffee dyed paper with a piece of really old music paper, and then I took one of the cutouts and turned it into a pocket, and then I took another one of the cutouts and I put it on a piece of parchment paper and slid it in. So I am getting ready to wrap this project up. This was a coin envelope I made. If you are not familiar with how to make those, let me know and we'll do a tutorial on them. They're so simple. I can show you in like 30 seconds. Actually, I can just show you. So anyhow, that's going to go there. And like I said, we'll be wrapping this up. I don't want to show you everything. I want to keep some stuff secret. So this coming up week, I will be finished with this, and I feel like probably May 1st or May 2nd I will do the final flip through, but she is in the works. Right now I'm just working on Ephemera to load it with. Alright, so coin envelope, you just fold over, okay, try and get it straight, glue your top down, glue your bottom up, okay, and then you come in and you cut out these first little section here, like so, miter to that first line, cut that out. Do the same up here, and I don't miter this top because I round the corners on this. Okay, I only mitered my bottom. You can ink, you can embellish however you see fit, and then you run a bead of glue along here, fold over, glue down, roll up, fold, glue down, and then again, like I said, on these I round my corners. If you're working with a thin piece of paper like this, you're going to want to put a piece of cardstock under before you corner punch, because it screws up your punch if you don't. Okay, well, that was very uneven. There we go. Now we're talking. And I think for this one, I may go ahead and keep it. Come on. There we go. Looks weird, but it'll work. Also, I think I might trim this down a little more because it seems to be interfering. I probably should have mitered this side. There we go, that'll work. Much better. Much better. Even up my top. Alright, so this one, I don't want to waste it. I think I might put some music page behind. Interesting how this works. Yeah, I think I'll put some music page behind there and not throw that away, right? Why throw something away if you can use it? Or book page. How about that? Yeah, let's do that. Then we don't have to throw it away. Why do all of that work, right? If all you're going to do is throw it away. Okay, then this can go like that. Because after all, I am working on ephemera. Perfect. And then I'll ink my edges on this one. And I'll find a nice page for that. I think I'll put it on this side. Where's my other one? I don't want them too close together. Let's go. Oh, it's way back there. Yeah, we can do that. We can put it right there, and then we'll have those contrasting greens. Oh, wait. I want to ink it first. All right, guys, check that out. This is coming along really well, and I got all my extras cut out. So we'll be using these throughout the ephemera stage. And the next time we meet, we'll be doing a flip through of this entire project, okay? I don't want to give it all away today. All right. Thanks for joining me in this episode of the Design Team Project for Creating with JOVI. I encourage you to hop over to her Facebook, Creating with JOVI. I encourage you to subscribe to her YouTube channel, and I definitely encourage you to visit her Etsy shop. You will love what you see. All right, bye guys. I'll see you in the next video.